Happy Thursday. It's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to walk through our take and make activity for this week, which is water bead stress balls. So you can stop by the Columbus or Saluda library this week and pick up a take and make kit with the supplies to make this activity. All right, to get started, your first step is going to take a while because this is the step where the plastic water beads have to soak up and absorb the water. So this is going to take 5 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and put my water beads into water, and your water beads are already measured out for you. I'm going to measure a teaspoon of water beads. And I'm going to put them into 5 cups of water. So this is just 5 cups of water like from the sink, and I'm going to dump them in. And this is going to take, like I said, 5 hours, but when they have absorbed all the water, then we'll be able to put them in our stress balls. All right, friends, so our water beads have soaked up all the water. I did have to drain some of my water off, but you can see how fun they are, and they bounce a little bit. And now we're going to put them into a bottle. So this is going to help us to be able to put them into our balloon for our stress ball. And so I'm just putting them all in, as many as will fit. And this is going to help us funnel them into our balloon in just a second. Alright, so our water beads are inside our water bottle, and I have tons of extra that I can use for something else, but I'm going to put the balloon over the top of the water bottle, and I'm going to hold it on, and I'm going to squirt the water beads into the balloon, and they'll just kind of filter in there. Okay, and we're going to fill up our balloon, and I'll be back in just a second to show you what it looks like. All right, I'm back with my stress ball, and inside has the water beads, and some of the water beads popped when I put them in, but that's okay because it adds like the jelly mixture inside the stress ball. It makes it really fun to play with. Now, the science behind this is pretty cool. If you've ever made a shrinky dink with the number 6 plastic, it's a very similar concept in that the little plastic beads that we put inside the water and then put inside of our balloon are actually small pieces of plastic that are made out of polymer chains that expand when they are soaked up with water, and then they're just originally like shrunken down. So like with shrinky dinks, your plastic is a big piece of plastic polymers that are spread out, so you can draw on it and put it into the oven, and then when you put it in the oven it shrinks. And the beads work similarly, but they soak up the water and they expand.